This home is proudly listed by Marshall A. Toney, Associate Broker with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. What a great opportunity to own this charming 3-bedroom home on a wooded lot in the Meadows. You will be impressed with the overall floor plan this home offers. Upon entering, you are greeted by a nice foyer area that flows into the living room, which boasts cathedral ceilings. This space opens nicely to a spacious dining area. The kitchen offers an eat-in area and all bedrooms are nicely sized. You will also enjoy having an attached garage, a large fenced-in backyard with a deck, and the convenience of being only minutes away from shopping, restaurants, quick access Interstate I-64, Colonial Williamsburg, Monticello Marketplace, Newtown and so much more. Come see for yourself. You are welcome to join the Indigo Community pool for a small fee.